the screws in all the way.
Hi, what's up YouTube? This is Aaron from Action Framing. Check this out, this is old. There we go, I got this for Christmas. Pretty sweet.
Today I want to show you how you can make sure that your screws are all countersunk. So that this will not happen to you.
Have you ever shoveled snow or garbage and find out the person that was screwing the floor left some of the screws just a little bit out? It doesn't take much. And when you go to the level that you just saw, it's nerve-wracking, or it's not cool. I'm going to tell you a secret how you can make sure that there will never be any screws sticking out. So what you do is number one, you assign one specific person to this job of screwing the floor. And so throughout the whole floor, with just one person, not this guy, that guy, that guy, because then you know who didn't finish his job, right? So what you do is, before you start the floor, both people have to agree, the boss and the worker. And so the boss says for every screw that he finds sticking up, the worker has to pay the boss for one coffee. So that way, everybody knows that it's a big deal if a screw sticks out. So he's screwing away, all of a sudden there's one sticking out. He won't go to the next one, he'll stop and he'll pound it in. And the whole floor, the whole floor will have no screws sticking out. Thumbs up if you like, and please subscribe. Big thank you. I just recently hit over 1,000 subscribers, so that's exciting. Thank you very much. Until next time.